Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson V12 Slim. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you've noticed that your Dyson V12 Slim seems to lose suction and doesn't clean effectively, you're not alone. This is a common issue that can arise due to blockages or a worn-out motor. If left unattended, it can lead to further damage, making the vacuum even less efficient and potentially costly to repair. To tackle this problem, you'll need a few tools, a screwdriver set, a replacement motor, a pair of gloves, and a clean cloth to wipe any dust. Let's get started on the repair process. First, ensure your vacuum is unplugged and lay it on a soft surface to prevent any scratches. Begin by removing the dustbin, simply twist it off and set it aside. Next, use your screwdriver to carefully remove the screws securing the casing of the vacuum. Be sure to keep the screws in a safe place for reassembly. Once the screws are out, gently pry open the casing. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After opening the casing, you'll be able to see the motor assembly. The issue with suction is often linked to a faulty motor, so locate the motor and check for any visible damage or blockages. If you see any debris, carefully remove it. To extract the motor, unscrew the screws holding it in place, ensuring you note their positions as you go. Once the motor is free, disconnect any cables attached to it, taking care to avoid pulling on neighboring components. Replace the old motor with the new one, reconnecting the cables securely. Be gentle and ensure everything is aligned properly to prevent damage. After everything is back in place, reassemble the casing and secure it with the screws you set aside earlier. Remember not to over-tighten them, as this might cause damage to the casing. Finally, plug your vacuum back in and test it to ensure it's working as expected. If you notice any issues, double-check your connections and reassembly. To help prevent this issue from recurring, make sure to empty the dustbin regularly and clean the filters as recommended in the user manual. This will help maintain optimal suction and prolong the life of your vacuum. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.